Sometimes I genuinely wonder what the point is of vlogs. I'm home alone this morning and it's actually really nice. My husband is on a run. Typically I'd go with him, but they're running 30 miles today. Not really my steez. I'm just gonna take the morning to read on the couch. I'm reading a few books at once. I've been doing this lately. I always listen to a book on Audible. I'm listening to something called A Little Life. Very good, but very long. It's, I don't have the page numbers, but it's a 32-hour Audible book, so it's super, super long. I've been listening to that, and I'm gonna show you what else I'm reading. I haven't read a lot of Charles Dickens. He's just as good as everyone says. I'm reading David Copperfield, another lengthy one. Most of the time I am reading books about writing, and so I picked up E.M. Forster's Aspects of the Novel. Padme! Come here, girl. Come here. Oh, hello. Hello, good morning. What's that? What's that? Guess what I made, Mom?
What?
You don't have to be so theatrical.
I don't know. I'm trying to match your...
Smell. What did I make?
Oh, banana bread.
Yeah.
That smells good.
You want a piece? Sure. Oh, it's nice and warm. I guess I should tell you what we're doing today. I'm taking my friend Summer on a date, and she's just running a little bit behind, so I'm gonna sit here with my dog and hug her and probably read a little bit. Have you guys seen my video about Padme? Padme, show them how cute you are. I'm sorry, you can't come. It's a human-only activity. Hi, this is my friend Summer. You gotta lean.
Hi.
You guys know her
Hi,
because I'm obsessed with her. I'm not taking you somewhere very creative.
Okay.
Because
I'm so glad I cleared my schedule.
we're going to Gratitude for brunch.
Oh,
have you had their
stop.
brunch?
Never.
It's better than their dinner. I told Summer to dress really cute, and this is what she came up with.
I know, it was really fun.
cute.
I went super fantastic.
I don't know if it makes you uncomfortable, but your nipples are showing.
Oh, I don't care. These are my white tennies that I got secondhand.
They're so white.
And earrings that I got secondhand.
Woo!
I rinsed my hair this morning.
Oh, great. I thought you were gonna say your underwear was secondhand.
We're going wild today with coffee and ginger ale.
I'm good, she good, we good.
Oh my god, are we going to Legoland?
Is that in San Diego?
Yeah.
No.
So you're going north to throw me off the scent. Very wise. Very wise.
I have no expectations for what we're walking into.
Maybe like some expectations. Like, is it gonna be fun?
I don't know.
Oh.
Have you ever heard of this place?
Maybe.
I did not know this existed. Wait, bathroom, what did you say? Right? Okay.
Yeah.
My head.
up, painted the scene they got. My queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it.
Are you enjoying the exhibit?
It's good. I like this part.
Resting after brunch. I had so many pancakes.
In a minute she rolls something that stink good. Feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas.
So we just went to the Orange County Museum of Art, which used to be Newport Beach, but now it's in Costa Mesa, and it was surprisingly very, very cool. And they are in the middle of transitioning their artwork, and they're creating this really cool new building.
It was like small enough to we could consume it in one visit and not feel like we were rushing. But yeah, it was cool. There was a lot of like interactive pieces.
Yeah.
Which is so fun because I always want to touch art. I don't know why, but I'm just like, can I touch it?
It's all good.
Get ready.